Hello guys, today we're doing a Flappy Bird game. You could go to studio.code.org to go to and then go to projects, and then you could scroll down, and there you could see that there's something called Flappy, and you could press on it to do a Flappy Bird. So we're gonna make the Flappy Bird game like the normal one. You have to dodge the obstacles. So we have to first set the game. So when run, you set speed. When run, you set the scene, and you could set the player, and you could set the obstacle like a pipe, and you could set the ground too, like if you want the ground to be spiky, and you could set like what the gap should be between the obstacles. You could set the gravity normal, so how high the bird bounces, and you had to set the score to 0. Now, when they hit an obstacle, we have to end game. And when we pass an obstacle, we score a point. And then when we hit the ground, we end the game too. And when we click it, we should flap a normal amount and play a wing sound, or any sound you want. Now, let's run it. I'm not good at the game, so yeah. So it works. Now let's check if it will work if we hit the ground. So the code works. The link is in the description, and you can go to studio.code.org to do these fun projects. Please subscribe and leave a like. Bye.